The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, and the Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Agency, MOCA, have signed an agreement to strengthen their capacity to probe cases linking members of the security forces with corruption and cyber-related crimes. Jamaica Maitland has the details.
Cybersecurity and digital forensics are at the center of a memorandum of understanding signed between INDECOM and MOCA on Monday.
The technical components is primarily cyber, and training is very important as well. So we'll be assisting in developing some capabilities within INDECOM in that regard as well.
Crime, misconduct, and corruption have evolved, often leveraging technology and sophisticated methods. Our response must therefore be equally adaptive, informed, and collaborative. It is within this context, ladies and gentlemen, that INDECOM has found MOCA to be a valuable partner.
INDECOM's Commissioner Hugh Faulkner says the agencies have been working together on several cases. The killing of 22-year-old Jamar Farquharson in Cherry Lane in Clarendon, where police officers are on camera removing the CCTV from his home, is among the collaboration. The agencies are also collaborating on a police fatal shooting at the Bogwalk Gorge in St. Catherine. Meanwhile, INDECOM says the partnership will help to boost public confidence in its case management. Assault cases and police fatal shootings have topped the list. 102 fatal police shootings have been recorded since the start of the year. 26 of them are in April.
Notwithstanding having an data that exceeded prior years last year, the teams, legal and operational, were able to close 57 matters that were ruled for charge over the past 24 months.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.